In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys two ways on how you can transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. Now, this is the best way to transfer money from PayPal to Cash App. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you two methods on how you can do that. Now, if the first one doesn't work for you, then the second one must work for you. So the first thing you need to do, guys, I have done everything here. Like the first thing to do, like the first method is to tab the Cash card tab. Now this is located in the Cash App home screen. This method will connect a Cash card to your PayPal account. So what this whole thing means is you order the credit, like the Cash card, from your Cash App. Okay, you go to the Cash App, you open the app, and then you order the Cash card, and this card you can link it to your PayPal, and then you can start withdrawing money directly to your Cash App. And this is the best way. I have done this multiple times with my other accounts. You just need to click on link card or number, and you can then enter here the credit card number, like the card number, the security code, and this information. Like after you receive the card in the mail, you can then enter this information inside PayPal, and then you can start withdrawing money. This is the method that a lot of people use right now, is to order the Cash App, like the credit card on the Cash card inside the Cash App. You go to there, and then you order. You click on this, and then you click on order Cash App, and then after you receive it, you then link it to PayPal, and you'll start withdrawing money without any problem. Okay, now the second way, guys, is to get the PayPal card. Like you can get the PayPal card, just search for PayPal card, and this card, after you receive it, you then just search for PayPal card. Okay, and click on PayPal debit card. Now after you apply, like after you receive this card, then you can use this card inside your Cash App, and you can then add the money to Cash App. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.